In today's video, I am going to teach you how to find gold on Pepperstone. To begin, make sure you are already logged into your Pepperstone Trader platform. Once you are on the main trading screen, look to the left side of the platform. This is where you will find the Watch Lists panel. The Watch Lists area is where you can search for trading instruments and quickly access the markets you want to monitor. Next, click into the search field inside the Watch Lists panel. This search bar allows you to find instruments by name or symbol. In the search field, type XAUUSD or type gold. Either search term should help bring up the correct result. After entering the term, wait a moment for the platform to display the matching instrument in the search results. When you see XAUUSD appear, click on it to highlight and select it. This confirms that you have found the correct gold instrument on the platform. If you want to open the market chart right away, double-click on XAUUSD. This will open the chart for gold, so you can view its price movement in more detail. Once the chart is open, take a moment to review the live market information. You should be able to see the current bid and ask prices, along with the chart itself. This gives you a clear view of how gold is moving in real time and helps you monitor the market more effectively. If XAUUSD is not already in your watch list, add it so you can access it more easily in the future. Keeping it in your watch list makes it faster to return to the gold market whenever you need it. After that, continue monitoring the gold chart and the live prices directly from the platform. At this stage, confirm that you are able to successfully find and open XAUUSD, which is the symbol commonly used for gold against the US dollar. If the chart is visible and the pricing is updating, then you have completed the process correctly. You can now continue using the platform to follow the gold market, analyze chart movements, and keep XAUUSD within easy reach in your watch list. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.